Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money to your bank account using Wise. It's quick, simple, and one of the cheapest ways to move your money internationally. So let's get right into it. First, log into your Wise account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it in just a few minutes on the Wise website or app. Once you're logged in, look for the Send Money button and click on it to start your transfer. Now, type in the amount of money you want to send. Wise will automatically show you the real exchange rate and the small transfer fee, so you'll know exactly how much will arrive in your account before you even hit continue. Once you're happy with the amount, click continue to move forward. Next, Wise will ask, who are you sending money to? Just select myself. This tells Wise that you're transferring the money to one of your own bank accounts, not to someone else. After that, fill in the bank details of the account that will receive the money. Make sure everything is accurate. Double-check your account number and any other required information to avoid delays. Once you've entered your bank details, review all the information about your transfer. This includes the recipient's account, the amount, the exchange rate, and the total fees. If everything looks good, click Confirm and Continue. Now you'll choose how you'd like to pay for the transfer. Wise offers several payment options, but the most affordable and convenient one is usually connect your bank account. Go ahead and click Continue to Payment to Proceed. Wise will then walk you through the process of connecting your bank account. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely link it. Once your account is connected, confirm the payment and finalize your transfer. That's it. Wise will send you an email confirmation once your transaction is complete, and your money will be on its way to your bank account, usually much faster and cheaper than a traditional bank transfer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.